Call me wide-eyed, simple-minded. I've been blinded. I'm on a merry-go-round. I got this fever, baby, going through my body. I feel like shaking the ground. Call me lovesick, like I bother. There's no other. I'd beg, borrow, and steal. I wanna do right by you.
It's just going to be kind of a little walkthrough of the RV park and the grounds around the entertainment center at Grand Sierra Resort here in Reno, Nevada. It's got a beautiful casino as well, a large, beautiful casino with several restaurants. You can go online to their website if you want to know what all they have. But I'm going to do a walkthrough through their game room for the kids, and by the where they golf, they have a putting range, or not a putting range, a driving range where you drive out into the water and you try to hit the targets. So pretty fun, pretty cool. I did not pick up my passcode to go into the bathrooms, or I would have done that. I didn't realize it was locked. Should have thought about it. But it looks very nice for the laundry and everything. And you do get that with when you check in. They send you all the stuff online so you can just go park. And then you just have to go to the office when they're open and pick up your passcode. I didn't bother because we didn't need them, but they look nice from the outside. What can I say? And I couldn't go in the swimming pool for the same reason. So I'm not going to see the swimming pool, but beautiful area. As you can see, there is an area to walk your dogs. And since we were kind of stranded because Daisy hadn't been feeling good, I thought I would just do a little walkthrough around the grounds here at Grand Sierra Resort. So here we're going over to the driving range, and then you'll see for all the stuff for the kids and all to do. Movie theater, bowling alley, games, very cool stores. So hope you enjoy this little walk around the amenities here at Grand Sierra Resort.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as
As you can see, they have quite a few of the amenities and places for kids to and adults to go play besides just the casino. So very cool experience walking around. I'm going to walk back over to the camper so you can see a little more of the RV park if you're interested in that. But this is my not necessarily review, but just a little overall walkthrough of the area. So I hope this, if you're coming to this area, if you're interested in Grand Sierra Resort, take a look. I thought it was amazing, and if you had kids and you needed to occupy them, there's plenty for them to do. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. We'll catch y'all down the road. This is A Way to Travel.